And if you're a shade tree engineer, you might, by the light of the moon, you might need some tools if you have a big heart and are gonna repair the tire for the young man that lives up the street because he left his bike in the driveway, and the mother of my neighbors ran over the tire. Figure out how to take the hub out of this bent rim. Put it into this rim so that it'll fit on the bike. We'll see if I can do it. And so, like everything I find for my favorite price of salvage zero, I'm gonna fix the rim so that his bike is usable. So while we look for our gold mines, if you want to make a channel. You ever wonder what to do while sitting at a railroad track? You might start a YouTube channel. There's another train coming. Use what you got. Take advantage of the board leaning up against the thing, or where the heck do you store your engine stand? Use it as a bird feeder. Like, subscribe, comment, share. This is to educate the youth on how to maybe prosper with the computer, and maybe teach an old man new tricks. I got the heaters on. Come on. Enrich your life and finances. Have a laugh. You might need some tools. Right, sweetie? You might want a clean porch with some props. See what's going on. Here comes the visit. Here comes the well, this mouse wanted the rhubarb. Not rhubarb, I can't remember. I want to call it cat and mouse, but it's rabbit versus mouse. The only problem is this one's black and this one's silver. But I tell you, good as new. Tighten the seat, all works. Hope he's happy. There should be no division. Can't we all get along? 380 million Americans in the circles. Why are we divided? When you do it yourself, you might learn how to enrich your life and finances for absolutely nothing.
Well, I learned how to do it.
It's like growing grass. You get the grass started and then you figure out how to weed out the weeds. You know, I haven't figured out what these things are over here. So, I'm weeding the troll garden, seeing if we can find the birds that eat trolls. Got a pile of weeds, and I'll probably have to weed the channel. YouTruth. Like, subscribe. Well, guys, welcome back to YouTruth.
It's the one little mouse. I wonder if they become friends, but she chases him away. They've been playing together on the porch. The rabbit kind of chases it and doesn't let it bother it. There she goes, the rabbit. See, she comes over here to ball it under the porch. There it goes. It's over here. She's over here, yeah. Versus mouse. Rodent versus rodent. They don't really seem to care. They get along.